the Chef George. Today let's cook garlic bread. This recipe is very easy and delicious. Ingredients for the garlic bread. This one is the easy recipe and very flavorful. I use French bread, Parmesan cheese. If you have vegan people in your party or in your house or in your people in your family, you can use vegan cheese, Parmesan cheese with plain base. We have garlic with extra virgin olive oil and salt. Are very simple recipe. We add the garlic with the brush, garlic and olive oil, extra virgin, to the whole bread, like this. It's very easy. With the brush, all bread. I have 40 people today. For this reason, I made a lot of bread. We add salt for the garlic and olive oil. And at the end, Parmesan cheese. I told you, if you have some vegan in your family party or whatever, you can use vegan cheese. It's the same. You have vegan cheese, is the plain base. I put Parmesan cheese because I don't have vegan people in my party. Now we set in the oven 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and we will check how it is. We need to be brownie and toast. After 15 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit, look how beautiful. This bread is incredible. If you try, you can eat full bread. It's very nice and delicious. I show you the final presentation. Look how beautiful is the final result for this. Is the garlic bread, homemade. Believe me that you will love the people that are testing your garlic bread. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share, your comments, always very important for us. We make every day a different video for our YouTube channel, and we make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.